Namaste to all dear warrior science students. Here I am with a new video relating to commerce question paper, model question paper. This will be for inter first year, both for CEC and MEC students. So let us discuss about the question paper. This is Telangana State Model Schools and Junior College question paper, pre-final question paper. Similar type may be asked in the exam also. Pattern I am explaining, just pattern for the purpose. After COVID, this would be your question paper pattern. Okay. Before this, we used to have extra choice, but here we are again back to the old model of question paper preparation. So you will be having 3 hours time and it will be maximum 100 marks. And as you are aware of, though I am telling, part 1 and part 2, part 1 50 marks of commerce and part 2, okay, accountancy, 50 marks will be of accountancy. So 50 marks will be for commerce theory and 50 marks will be for accountancy. Total 100 marks paper would be. So first part 1 we will see in part 1, first section A. In section A, long questions. Okay, in long questions you need to write any two of the following questions not exceeding 40 lines each. 2 questions into 10 marks you need to write. So like this, 3 questions will be given. Out of these 3 you need to write any 2 questions, right? So I'll prepare one important questions list also for commerce as well as other subjects. This is just model. For the purpose of model, this question paper is this model paper is, this video is prepared. So section B, in section B, answer any 4 of the following not exceeding 20 lines each. How many? 20 lines each, not exceeding 20 lines you need to write. So total it will be for each question 5 marks. Totally we need to write 4 out of 6 questions. They'll give you 6 questions, we need to write 4. So like this, second bit will be there, section B. Next section is section C. Here in this section C, we need to write any 5, answer any 5 of the following questions not exceeding 5 lines each, 5 into 2 marks each. We call it as very short questions. So out of these 8 questions you need to write any 4 questions. So you can see these are some of the important questions also. Okay, so this is the next bit. So part 1 50 marks is over in 3 sections, and now part 2 accountancy 50 marks part, section D से start होता, and you need to write answer the following questions. There is no choice, directly one question will come. We need to prepare final accounts from the trial balance given. So totally 20 marks for one question, you are already aware of it. So this is how first bit long question will be there. Okay, in the long question some adjustments will be given. You need to prepare trading, P&L and balance sheet along with the adjustments. So section D is over, 20 marks question, and next section will be of section E. Answer any one of the following questions. You will be given 2 questions, you need to write any one question. 1. Prepare 3-column cash book from the following particulars. One question will come from triple column cash book, as you are aware of it, and another question will be bank reconciliation statement, BRS. Okay, so one question from BRS, one question from triple column cash book. So there ends the long question, 10 marks question. Next is section F. Section F, we will be having to write 2 answers out of 4 will be given. Okay, from 4 questions you need to write any, sorry, 5 questions are there, I think 5, no, 4, right. Out of 4 questions we need to write 2 questions. One question will be from personal ledger, another question will be from subsidiary books. Okay, and one question will be there from errors and omission relating to errors, rectification of errors, and difference types of accounts beginning first unit, say debit credit rules. And like this, two theory questions and 2 problems will be there. One question will be of 5 marks, will be personal ledger account, and another 5 marks question will be sales book, sales return book, purchase return book. Okay, subsidiary book से एक question, and one theory question will come from your rectification of errors. Next, last bit section G. In this you have to write 5 answers out of 8. You need to write 5, each carries 2 marks. Theory as well as some problems will be there. Opening entry and closing entry questions will be there. Journal entries you need to write. Okay, like this general entries will be asked, and opening entry or closing entry, okay, you need to write one question. So this is how your model paper will be there. Section G here ends. So total if you will be having 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, sometimes there will be one more question, preparation of trial balance also. So totally you will be having 8 questions, you need to write 5 questions. Okay, theory plus problems totally. All the best to all of you. सीखते रहो क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. And share it with your friends, colleague, I mean to say your friends, classmates, and your other family members also. If any doubts you can comment, and we are going to give you important questions list also. Stay tuned on the channel. सब्सक्राइब करना भूलना नहीं, लाइक करो, शेयर करो सबको. जय हिंद.